Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A spacious, modern balcony, overlooking a lush, green garden. Wooden decking floors, a wall of layered planters displaying lush green foliage and ferns, creates a verdant indoor-outdoor living space. Brown wicker furniture, including a daybed and lounge chairs, is arranged invitingly on the deck. Orange-toned throw pillows and small accent tables complete the seating areas. A glass railing separates the deck from the dense foliage of the surrounding trees, creating a natural backdrop. The light is warm and diffused, casting a soft glow on the plants and furniture. Hyperrealistic style, attention to detail, soft focus on the lush greenery. Includes subtle raindrops on some foliage and glass panels. A modern, tranquil patio garden area. Hyperrealistic rendering of a contemporary home exterior with a stylish, covered patio. A dark gray, metal pergola roof provides shade. The patio is decked with dark wood planks. A dark gray stone, pebble, and leaf-covered ground area surrounds the decked patio. Large, flat rocks and a small, hanging wicker chair with orange cushions offer seating. Lush greenery, including a vertical garden wall of leafy vines, surrounds the patio. The patio opens to a light-filled, modern interior with light wood walls, and large windows showing a living space with a light-toned couch, plant, and a modern fireplace. A serene, outdoor patio lounge area with a tropical rainforest backdrop. Hyperrealistic style. Soft, diffused sunlight filters through the lush greenery, casting a warm, golden light on the scene. The patio is paved with light gray stone, and a light beige/gray rug with a textured pattern sits beneath a light gray, wooden chaise lounge. The lounge has gentle curves and looks comfortable. Plants, including ferns, palms, and other tropical foliage, are densely clustered around the patio, creating a natural, verdant atmosphere. Wooden Venetian blinds softly diffuse the light coming from the window that overlooks the lush forest. A large, round, woven basket pendant light hangs from the ceiling, casting a warm orange glow. A spacious balcony, hyperrealistic. A modern, dark gray sectional sofa with dark gray cushions sits on a light brown wooden floor. The balcony has a large wall of potted plants, various sizes and types of greenery in planters, creating a lush vertical garden. The wall is dark gray textured stone. The balcony is enclosed with sliding glass doors and a glass railing, overlooking a lush green, natural forest scene. Warm sunlight casts gentle shadows. The colors are primarily dark gray, light brown wood, and vibrant green foliage. A gray poof is placed on the balcony floor. A small tray with light-colored objects rests on a small, low table in front of the sofa. Elements include dark metal frames and supports. A modern, multi-level home with a lush, green, vertical garden facade. The facade is a combination of dark gray metal beams and supports, light beige/warm wood planks, and glass. Floor-to-ceiling glass doors open onto a wooden deck area. The home features a spacious indoor-outdoor living area. The interior showcases a dining/living area with comfortable furniture, sofa, armchairs, dining chairs, etc., warm neutral tones, and plenty of natural light. The garden wall is densely packed with various greenery, creating a tranquil and vibrant atmosphere. The house is modern with a relaxed, yet sophisticated aesthetic. Impressionistic, but with extremely sharp detail. Include a chandelier in the interior. A spacious, modern balcony with a lush, green vertical garden and rooftop garden. High-rise city view with numerous modern skyscrapers. Wooden decking flooring, light brownish beige wood-paneled walls, and dark gray stone wall sections. Gray, comfortable outdoor furniture and a dining table set with natural-toned wooden chairs and small round tables. Plants in various pots are strategically placed throughout the balcony, including a living wall. Green roof gardens extend below the balcony. Impressionistic style, natural light, calm, outdoor living space. Warm tones for the wood, dark accents for the stone and furniture. A mix of light and shadow. Clear sky with some clouds, indicating a partly cloudy day. A modern, zen-like patio area, hyper-realistic, with a large wall of lush, green foliage. Warm, golden string lights are interwoven with the plants. Dark gray concrete floors and walls. A low platform with dark gray cushions/pillows is set amidst the greenery. Large sliding glass doors reveal a lush outdoor scene of full, green trees. Wooden built-in shelving, displaying potted plants, sits against the dark gray wall. Soft, warm lighting. Small, stone pathway accents with green grass planted in between. Multiple large poofs/cushions provide seating. The overall impression is of a peaceful, nature-filled sanctuary. A modern, contemporary, and lushly green home with a large outdoor living space. Hyper-realistic rendering of a contemporary house with a dark gray/black exterior, featuring expansive floor-to-ceiling glass windows and a large, wooden deck. The house is fully integrated with greenery, vertical gardens, climbing vines, and potted plants cover walls, roofs, and balconies. Natural wood accents are present throughout the interior and exterior. The house interior shows a light-filled, open-concept living/dining area. Relaxation furniture is visible outdoors with light gray and beige cushions on sun loungers, and light-toned tables and chairs. A dark-colored swimming pool is adjacent to the house. A modern, luxurious balcony overlooking a city skyline. Hyper-realistic rendering of a condo balcony with a vertical garden wall of lush greenery. Dark gray concrete/stone exterior walls, warm wooden decking, and comfortable dark gray lounge chairs and chaise lounges are arranged for relaxing. A master bedroom is visible through sliding glass doors, featuring a bed with warm, earthy tones and a repeating plant wall design. The city view is a vibrant mix of tall modern buildings and lush green trees. Soft, ambient lighting throughout, highlighting the vertical garden and the interior space. Focus on natural light and shadow, emphasizing a peaceful, urban oasis. Impressionistic colors with depth and realism. A modern, minimalist, hyper-realistic exterior view of a multi-story home with a large, open-air deck. The deck is made of light brown wooden planks, furnished with a round fire pit in the center surrounded by two light gray, modern lounge seating cushions. The home is dark gray/charcoal colored concrete with large sliding glass doors overlooking a bedroom and a living area with a warm, golden toned wall. Full-length glass railings surround the upper-level balconies. The view from the deck is of a tropical, lush green landscape, with various plants and trees, and a backdrop of tall modern high-rise buildings. The scene is lit with ambient lighting, highlighting the warm tones of the interior and the warmth of the fire pit. There are potted plants and greenery on the deck as well as along the base of the structure. A sunny, outdoor balcony setting, showcasing a wooden planter box filled with various herbs and plants. The planter box is a light tan, warm wood, mounted on a wooden deck. The planters within the box are dark gray or black. Different types of leafy greens, bushy herbs, and a cluster of reddish-orange flowers are visible in the pots. Plants are vibrant, lush, and full of life. The balcony has a view of a leafy green landscape through a large window or glass panel. A mid-century modern-style dark brown chair with a light beige cushion is positioned in the background, adding depth to the scene. The wood of the deck and planter box is detailed, showing the natural wood grain. The light is bright and even, casting soft shadows. A sunny balcony oasis, hyperrealistic. Wooden deck with warm honey brown planks, bathed in sunlight casting long shadows. Dark gray metal railing and chairs. Lush green plants, ferns, flowers, orange and red blossoms, and potted greenery fill the balcony, creating a botanical garden feel. View of a cityscape with tall buildings, trees, and a soft pastel sunrise/sunset glow in the background. Glass doors open onto a bedroom interior, with beige curtains and the subtle light of the room visible through them. The balcony is a section of a modern apartment building with a rich wood-toned, sloped ceiling. Warm, natural light. A luxurious, modern, urban rooftop patio. Hyperrealistic rendering. Large, floor-to-ceiling glass doors open to a spacious living area with a king-sized bed visible inside, reflecting the city view. The patio features a contemporary sectional sofa in a warm, caramel brown tone, accented with beige and cream throw pillows. A large, dark gray stone coffee table sits between the seating area. Sleek, dark gray armchairs and seating nooks complement the sectional's design. The city skyline, a mix of tall modern buildings and greenery, stretches out behind the patio in soft, golden hour light. Plants of various types, palm trees, leafy greens, and potted vegetation add natural depth to the space. A modern, expansive high-rise balcony overlooking a cityscape and river. Hyperrealistic. A large section of the balcony is a light brown wooden deck, furnished with a gray sectional sofa, a gray ottoman, and a small side table. A lush, vertical garden of greenery is integrated into the balcony's design, contributing to a verdant aesthetic. The balcony has a glass railing extending from the edge providing full views of the city and river below, while large sliding glass doors seamlessly connect the balcony to a bedroom. The bedroom features a bed with light beige bedding. The balcony wall is a warm, dark wood. The city skyline in the background is a mix of modern and traditional architecture, with various tan, gray, and white buildings. A spacious, high-rise balcony at dusk, overlooking a cityscape. Hyperrealistic style. Warm, golden hour lighting bathes the scene, highlighting the rich wood tones of the interior and the dark, modern furniture on the balcony. The balcony is decked with a wooden floor, lush green plants, and comfortable lounge chairs. 2 lounge chairs are positioned on the balcony, upholstered in a dark gray fabric. The soft glow of warm lights from lantern-style lamps around the edges of the wooden balcony. The city beyond is a mix of tall buildings and residential areas, in soft pastels and muted tones of purple, orange, and pink. A modern, spacious balcony or patio area, hyperrealistic style, lush vertical garden wall with various green plants and greenery on stone-like panels, accented with ambient lighting, a comfortable gray sectional sofa with orange and green throw pillows, several lounge chairs, a round coffee table, and potted plants scattered throughout the space. Wooden decking extends out onto a patch of soft green grass. Glass sliding doors provide a view into a stylish and warm interior living area in a neutral color palette, beige, brown, dark wood.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.